Hi guys, this is Ate Dap. So now ituturo ko kung paano kukunin ang email address ng employer. So dapat nasa job bank na po kayo. So ito na part na ito yung account ko, pangalan ko. Ito yung mga makikita mo ang job listings na landscaper, office clerk, building maintenance, mga job postings, yan siya dyan. Pero hahanapin mo ang posting na para sa'yo. Kung naghahanap ka ng nanny, then keep scrolling or you can do shortcuts. Pwede ka doon sa itaas, hanapin mo sa search engine. Tapos kung roofer, food service supervisor, yan o sa childcare. Example niyan sa childcare kasi ang hanap mo ay caregiver na sa bata, diba? So i-click mo yan. So pag-click mo yan, makikita mo kaagad ang anong kailangan nila, saan ang address, sa Brampton, Ontario, magkano ang rate, ang term of contract, full-time ba siya or part-time ba siya, anong oras ang trabaho mo, anong sa morning ba, day or evening, ganyan. That depends. So kung kailan ka mag-start, ang sabi dito early as August 1, 2026. And if you scroll down, makikita mo ang languages, education na hinahanap nila, na i-hire nila, experience, and then dapat non-smoking, and then your task, work setting mo is employer's home, and then your responsibilities, perform light housekeeping and cleaning duties, shop for food, household supplies, discipline children according to the methods requested by parents, instruct children in personal hygiene and social development. So those are some tasks that yung dapat mong gagawin. So experience and specialization. So ang target mo talaga yung mga alaga. So aalagaan mo ang anak ng amo. So, ano pa yung mga additional information, security and safety, yung criminal record check mo, transportation. So, ano bang willing to travel regularly ka ba? Public transportation is available naman. So, weight handling, dapat medyo ka rin malakas kasi dapat 9 kilogram. So, ganyan. Baka ang alaga mo medyo mabigat, ganyan. So, personal sustainability, client focus, so yan, marami siya dapat na So, you can just go scroll down. So, who can apply for this job? So, you can apply if you are a Canadian citizen, permanent resident of Canada, or temporary resident. So, if you are one of those, then you can apply. So, show how to apply. Yung blue, nakita niyo yung blue? Show how to apply. So, i-click mo yan. So, pag i-click mo yan, itong posting na ito, i-advertise siya until January, February. I think it's year, month, and date. I think that's the one. So, yan. Pag i-click mo yung who can apply, makikita mo ang direct apply. So, ayan sa baba. Karen Victoria Bakiran at yahoo.com. So, yan ang pagkukuha ng email, tas kukunin mo lang yan, tas sindan mo ng resume mo, ng cover letter mo. So, ganyan lang gagawin mo. Kukunin mo ang email, sindan mo ng resume and cover letter mo, and that's it. And then magantay ka ng response nila. Thanks for watching.